there's a plant that's growing in the mountain and it smells like curry. I smell celery and Ben's freshening up his cologne.
It's not curry, it smells fresh. Smell it.
He said it smelled like
nice.
spices. Yeah. So he got the guess right.
Of course I did. I'm a food connoisseur as well.
Alright, I'm gonna cut that bit out then. I can't be posting it when you're right. You have to go with your character, okay? Don't go out, okay? Then there's a village in the mountains, which is pretty cool. Oh, I couldn't go swimming after that. just sitting there in the corner. That's all you'd have to do. That's where I was going to swim, guys. It's too cold. Can't be doing that.
I said there's one further up that's deeper.
But that would be so nice in the summer. Guys, I'm being so risky. I'm on a rock. Am I brave to go on that one? No.